In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Firebase hosting. We'll start by setting up Firebase hosting locally, then connect your custom domain through Firebase and verify ownership using GoDaddy's DNS. By the end, you'll have your site deployed and ready to be served on your own domain. First, open your terminal and navigate to your project folder. Run the command Firebase init. You'll see a series of prompts. Choose hosting and link it to the correct Firebase project. When asked for the public directory, select the folder that contains your built site files, like public or dist. This is where Firebase will look for the assets to serve. If your site is already built, make sure the files you want online are in that directory before continuing. When the setup is complete, deploy your site by running Firebase deploy. Firebase will upload your files and give you a default web address, usually something like your projected web.app. Visit that URL to confirm everything looks right before connecting your domain. Now let's connect your GoDaddy domain. Go to the Firebase console, open your project, and navigate to the hosting section. Click Add Custom Domain and enter the domain you want to use, such as example.com or www.example.com. Firebase will generate a TXT record value to confirm you own the domain. Copy that value. This is only for verification and won't change how your site loads yet. Next, log into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. Select your domain and click Manage DNS. In the DNS records area, click Add New Record. Choose TXT as the type. For the host field, enter @ if you're verifying the root domain. In the value field, paste the TXT record you copied from Firebase. Save the record. Don't delete any existing records unless you're sure they're not needed. Removing active records can interrupt email or other services. Head back to the Firebase console and click Verify. DNS updates can take time to propagate, so if verification doesn't work immediately, wait a bit and try again. It may take a few minutes, or in some cases up to 24 hours. While you're waiting, avoid adding duplicate TXT records or making frequent changes, as that can reset the verification timeline. Once verification completes, your domain ownership is confirmed, and you're on track to serve your site on your custom domain. If anything seems off, double-check that your public directory has the correct files and that your Firebase deploy completed successfully. That's it. Your Firebase hosting is set up, your domain is connected, and ownership is verified through GoDaddy.